There are 4 drawers in the Serpentine chest of drawers, and the way I'm going about making these is a little bit complicated. At first, I'm gluing up 2 thicknesses of material to get the overall thickness. It's almost 3 inches wide here. So I've used 2 pieces to get to the 3 inches thickness. This is the front of the drawer, and so the template that I'm using to create the same serpentine shape that's on the drawer frames is this template right here. So I have the template flush with the back edge, and then I can trace over the outer edge, the front face of the drawer, and then I can trace out the inner cut, which creates about a 7/8 overall thickness of the drawer. So you can see the lines from the template here, and then I flip this over to do the other end. And then I bandsaw this shape in both curves. There are 4 drawers that are all different widths, all the same length but different widths. This is the second from the top drawer front. Now the drawer front will also be veneered with a crotch mahogany veneer. This is secondary wood, which in this case is Monterey pine, a local tree here in California. And I can get it from the sawmill at big thicknesses, so that helped get fast to the thickness I needed. So this is ready to bandsaw now, and then it's very rough after the bandsawing. And let me show you how I deal with that roughness. Here is the largest drawer down at the very bottom of the chest, and I've started to do it's bandsawed, as you can see here, and I've cross-cut it. It does fit in the drawer opening. I've tested that. And there will be a cock bead, 1/8 inch surrounding, 1/8 inch ebony. After I put the veneer on, then there's the cock bead put on here, and then I've got to create the dovetail joints for the side pieces, and so on. So the way that after it's bandsawed, it's pretty rough here, and I've been using several different tools, spoke shaves mostly, to clean that up. And I've been usually starting with one of these old wooden style spoke shaves, and I can just quickly knock out a lot of the imperfections caused from the bandsaw. Out here to the edge, I'm just using a rough file to knock out the imperfections. And of course I'm creating a rough surface with the file. So I'll probably But this is going to be veneered, so the rough surface is actually going to be good for the gluing with hot glue, hot hide glue. Then I've even used this very small in some places, very small spoke shave. So I've now got a situation where I'm ready to do the veneering on here. And after that veneer, then I got to do the cock bead, the ebony that surrounds the edges. I also have to cut a little rabbet in the ends here where the cock bead fits into.